What's going on, everyone? I'm pulling up on Fairmont Doha, 5-star hotel here in Doha, Qatar. It is the right half of the iconic, what looks like a horseshoe hotel. We're gonna go all in, deep dive into the restaurants, the rooms, the lobbies, everything, the gym, spa. Leave no stone left unturned, and it's gonna be a great time. It is roughly 30 minutes from the airport. Not bad, not terrible, but it is on the other side of town in Lusail, which some call the city of the future. Let's go all in. Here it is right behind me, pulling up. I'll see you inside. The entrance of the hotel has a red carpet. As you walk in, your bags get scanned for security. Inside the lobby, it's massive, decorated in white and gold tones with plenty of sofas to sit on. There's even the world's tallest indoor chandelier. As you're walking, the hotel staff greets you with a hibiscus drink that is super refreshing and different. Then as you explore the hallways, everything is lit with warm yellow lights, giving the whole place a golden, luxurious vibe. Welcome to Fairmont Doha, located inside Qatar Towers. This type of luxury is next level, guys. I am shook to my toes of how much luxury this is. First off, this is their basic room. This is like the first thing you get on the tier list. From here, it only goes up. Normally, it ranges around like $350 to $400 a night. Today we're staying here for only $200. It's due to the days, timing, all that good stuff. You may get it cheaper, you might get it more expensive, but usually it hovers over $300 a night, which is a steal because in Las Vegas right now, hotels nowhere near close to this. On the strip, they were over $500 a night. Absolutely insane. This makes any other hotel look like child's play. Let's just leave it at that. But too much yapping, let's get into this room. This is the King City View room, over 600 square feet. As soon as you walk in, it's like a mixture of elegance, futuristicness, minimalism at the same time. We got this massive TV. This has to be at least 65 inches. Pretty big wingspan. You got gold accents all over the room with a beige colorway, different tones of beige, and nice dark rich wood paneling. After the couch over here, you walk straight in. You have the nicest coffee machine I've ever seen in any room. Look, let's get into this, guys. I don't even know how to turn this on. There's too much bouginess for me. Okay, starting. Okay, give it some time. We'll talk about this in the meantime. First off, you got your tea set. If you want your afternoon tea, don't want to break that. You got some Ryan water, glass bottles. That's how you know we're bougie. Glass cups. You got this. What is this? I'm not sure if this is supposed to be some sort of fridge or something, but it does have a hair there. We're gonna pretend that's not there. Close it. It's just some sort of compartment. Over here, this is where the actual mini fridge is. Oh, you can slide these out, make more room, fit whatever you need. It looks really nice, stainless steel. Okay, it started up. Look at this. Go to coffee menu. All right, there we go. These are the different options you have. Hot water, cappuccino, latte, milk, warm milk. They got everything, guys. But let's keep going. After that, we come to this king size bed with Egyptian cloth. Let's do some ASMR. See if you could feel the luxury. Nice and thick. You got a little seat over here. You have an iPad that controls everything in the room, to include room service and all that, but we'll get into that in a little bit. Then we come over here. We got the beautiful view of Lusail, the city of the future. Got the water fountain right there, cars coming in, the marina. Earlier there was a yacht going through. You could see Winter Wonderland over there, even though it's closed for the season. Down right there is the other entrance to Raffles, the 7-star hotel. Hopefully we'll get in there soon. It is a joint hotel, so it makes up the other half of the Qatar Towers. Over there is Place Vendome, one of the nicest malls I've ever seen in my life. The designer section over there is just mind-blowing. Over here, come through, you got your chargers. Even this is just like leather. It all feels premium. You got your phone. Let's keep going. Oh yeah, before I forget, check this out. This is just a doorknob. They could have left this out, but they had to go the extra mile. The gold flakes in there. Crystal ball, tell me my future.
Nope.
It's a mystery. And then we got the kimono robes. So far, they feel pretty soft. White with blue piping. Let's give this a shot, guys. Oh yeah. Imagine you at the end of the night getting ready to unwind. You just took your shower. You throw this on, feeling premium. You look over there, reflect on life, and then you go to bed in Egyptian cloth. It's the kind of life I want every night. Now we go to the shower. Yeah, there's just gold touches everywhere. Just a little detail in here. These are all little tiny ones. It looks super complex. This is in case you slip on the slope. Got the Le Labo, the Labubu Rose 31. I use this, not this specific fragrance, but I did use Le Labo at Park Hyatt, and I still use that lotion to this day because it's so nice. Got the shower gel, shampoo, conditioner. All right, now we got a bench. You can shower while the huge rainfall shower head just comes out and just... Over here you can control it. Also got the regular shower head, adjustable, but let's keep going. You're gonna like this, guys. Welcome to Fairmont. Isn't that nice? Oh my God. We got the Toto toilet. So we have a controller for the toilet, light deodorizer. You know that's gonna come in handy later. Let's see, open. Let's see. Oh my God. Close. Let's go. Oh my God. Who needs like a Nintendo Switch? I could just be playing with the toilet all day. Seat heater, auto open. That thing's dangerous right there. You can control the temperature, pulsating, oscillating, front, back, side to side, dryer. I've seen like hotels have these type of toilets inside certain areas of the hotel, but for this to be inside the... Okay, that's enough. The actual hotel room is absolutely nuts. Look at this bidet, guys. I don't even know how to use this. I think you might turn it. It might be like a flashlight. It is. You just turn it. And you can control the temperature right here. Oh my gosh. Absolutely blown away by this bathroom. It even has a bag over the toilet paper. Okay, so it has privacy on and off. We'll figure that out eventually. But let's keep going. This room just... There's so much going on. It's just a bit overwhelming. You got the Rose 31 soap. Even got bath salts to spice it up. Oh yeah, that smells good too. Oh yeah, you throw this in there. You got a loofah to scrub yourself down. And now the best part, you got a touchscreen tub. All right, let's see. Waterfall shower head. Now you got your regular shower head, and then you can drain it from here. And here you can change the temperature, how you want your water, and you can even control it from here. You can order your room service from here, guys, while you're taking a bath. Let that sink in. So now we got his and her shower sinks, some more Rose 31 body lotion, dental kit. The ones inside the Valoro Hotel were like a marble color. Oh, but you actually got a Colgate. This is also a big size for a hotel room. You also have shaving kits. What? This is like a wooden one too. Wow. And it has double blade. Shower cap, nail kit, a filer. Oh my gosh. There's just so much good stuff here. Hairbrush and a comb. Not only do you get a brush and a comb, it's not plastic. There's actually wood. Everything feels good. Everything feels premium. It's got like a levitating feel to it. There's a whole makeup area with a ring light. Oh, and then look at this. There's another close-up mirror so you can get all those little imperfections out. It even lights up. Now we're at the final part, but not the finale because we got so much more to explore inside this hotel. Starting off at the top. If this is what I think it is, like, come on. What don't they have? There's a yoga mat. A yoga mat! And it's got like the wooden cork feel to it. Got wood hangers, premium. Got these little soft hangers. You have a prayer mat and the Quran. Looks absolutely lovely. Tell me why this feels like a Louis Vuitton. And it's for the hair dryer, guys. So this has the GHD. It feels premium. Like I can tell there's good quality just by the weight to it. But just for comparison, if you think this is nice, Raffles has Dyson hair dryers and products over there. So just a small comparison. That's basically it. Got a safety box. And lastly, you got these nice loafers. It's got like an inch of padding on it, so laundry bag, you got all kinds of stuff. Shoe cleaner, sewing kit, and then on the other side you have a little bit of extra storage. And that's it for the room. There's still the actual room service, pool, there's so much to do. So let's get going. At night, we went to Provoke Asian Project, an Asian restaurant where you can dine both indoors and outdoors. Inside, it's super pretty with blue light tones and even a bar with a mirror above it. But honestly, the outdoor area steals the show. It has an incredible view of Qatar, and at night, you can see all of the city lights. They first brought us some complimentary chips, and then we ordered octopus, which was really good, and a kimchi pizza. It was definitely a unique dish, but since I'm not a huge fan of kimchi, it wasn't my favorite. Even the bathroom was beautiful. It had these beachy ocean vibes and all in shades of blue. Overall, such a nice place. I am back from eating at Provoke, the Asian restaurant up top. It was honestly interesting. It was pretty good. The octopus was good. It had a nice grilled flavor, but the sauce was like a pumpkin sauce, so that was like super unique. The tteokbokki was good. The kimchi pizza, I just had a little bite. I was trying to, hold on. All right, IT finally came through and now I'm on the TV, guys. This was my last English video where I see all of Amsterdam in 24 hours. Super hype. So for this food selection, you get the choice between chicken sliders or calamari rings or chicken wings. At first, I thought it was all three and I was hyped. I was like, oh, that's a good deal. But it's just one. But that's fine because I'm not that hungry. And if it was all three, it'd probably go to waste. So I'm gonna go with the chicken sliders, add to order, view order, go to checkout, pay by card, place order. Don't press back button. All right, it was placed at 10:31. Let's see how long it takes. So after about 20 minutes, I got a call from room service and the promotion was no longer available. Honestly, I was looking forward to it because I was hyped since it was Dolce & Gabbana wine, but the only other option was more expensive, so I ended up declining it. So this thing has everything. You can even look at the stock market. You can look at how your Bitcoin's doing, probably in the red right now. You can adjust all the lights, the settings, but this is where it gets crazy. This is where you go from being at a regular hotel to being 5-star bouginess. They have a pillow menu and you can choose from feather, memory foam, body pillow, or buckwheat. Let's try one of these memory foams. Confirm. That's it. That's it. That easy. So there's a whole bunch of different things on here. You can get them to come make your room, your temperature, the TV, the lights. You can dim them, set the mood, all kinds of good stuff. Set your temperature. This hotel has so many amenities. There's a sauna, a steam room, a spa area, and even a jacuzzi. But it is separated by genders. They also have a climbing wall and a big indoor pool right next to it. Besides the indoor pool, the hotel also has a beautiful outdoor pool with views of the building. I didn't film too much here because it was just way too hot outside. The gym was honestly one of my favorite parts. It was super state of the art and everything felt brand new and really clean. They had a wide variety of selections, including massage guns for post-gym recovery. These are the fitting rooms and everything's marble, guys. The showers look really nice. Everything's clean. Shampoo, conditioner, the works. This place just keeps on amazing me. They got plenty of lockers. It's kind of a maze. Yeah, it's definitely a maze. Look how long the hallway is. Toilets. Great for the selfie. They also have more bathrooms, urinals. They even have like rainfall ASMR music playing. Wow. I just left the relaxation area, the sauna, the steam room. It's all so beautiful. Everything just looks so nice. But there was people in there and I don't want to film them. I don't want to make them feel uncomfortable. Got some clips though. But I want to go back to that jacuzzi. That thing was nice. A capital N. Yeah, that jacuzzi was nice. I would like use the 3 just to go from 1, just do a little pyramid circle. I want to stay here. This was the breakfast buffet and they had a whole bunch of options. There was a section to make your own acai bowl, plus fresh juices, fruits, coffee, and a whole variety of other options, all with an ocean view. I ended up having an acai bowl, some toast, an omelet, hash browns, and a selection of breads. Thank you guys for making it to the end of the video. That was Fairmont in Doha, Qatar. Let me know what you think of the hotel and if you plan on staying there. If you do, let me know and we can meet up and get some awesome Arabic food. Peace out.